Yeah, so far the trip's been unreal. Yeah, I've came to Vietnam a long time ago, but never ventured out of Ho Chi Minh City. So to see this amazing landscape like this, it just feels like in another world. So it's now the old tour here is Vietnam Motorbike Tours has been an amazing trip and experience of a lifetime. So we're pumped to be here.
Going on, mate? Bit of training?
Bit of training for the Vietnam trip. Trying to get ready for Dakar 2020.
Sweet.
We're on.